Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to customize menu bar in your MacBook. So if you want to customize these options, this is called menu bar, and if you want to customize it, what you have to do first, you have to go into system setting. You can click here to go to system setting, or you can also click here and just click on system setting. Okay, now if you want to customize, here you will see options, control center, click on it, and here you will see lots of options. Okay, so Wi-Fi show in menu bar. So if you click on this, here you will see don't show in menu bar. So when you click on don't see in menu bar, it will not appear here. If you click on show in menu bar, it will appear here. Okay, now second thing is Bluetooth. So you can choose all these options. Okay, so whether you want to choose to show in the menu bar or not. Okay, now when you scroll down, and here you will see accessibility shortcuts you can create, and battery. Okay, under battery you will see show in menu bar, so it will appear here. If you just turn it off, you will not see anywhere. Okay, if you want to show in control center, means when you click on it, this is control center. When I click on this, show percentage, so in control center battery, so you will see that it is appear here, battery here. And show percentage, when you click on show percentage, it will also appear here with percentage. Okay, so yeah, and also, so like this you can customize menu bar in your MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.